Okay, well, welcome back. So where we're at right now is we are ready to add layers. If you go into your assignment, you're going to see that we've created or completed the first four items in the instructions. So right now we're at number 5, where we're going to set our limits and then we're going to create our layers. So what I'm going to do is hop on over here to AutoCAD, and our assignment says change the limits so that you have a lower left corner of 0, comma 0, which I do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And then it says specify your upper right corner. Our assignment says 240 feet by 180 feet. So I'm going to type in 240 feet, comma 180 feet, and enter. Please do not forget your foot mark. AutoCAD always assumes inches. And then once you change the limits, I always do a zoom, enter, all, enter, and that allows me to zoom to the limits of my drawing. So the imaginary piece of paper that I have set up right here is actually 240 feet by 180 feet. All right. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to create the following layers. All right. So I have this within your assignment. I also have this on screen. So you might want to pause your screen for a few minutes so that you can see what layers I have set up. I want you to set them up per these colors, per these line types, and per these line weights. All right. Okay. So take care of that now. All right. Once you've got your layers set up, then you're going to create 4 layouts. All right. And each one you're going to be using the page setup manager. You're going to have 4 layouts. One that's A size paper that's engineering, 11 by 8.5. One that's your B size paper that's engineering, 17 by 11. C size engineering is 22 by 17. And D size engineering is 34 by 22. You recall how to create a layout is that you'll come over here. I'm going to close the layer up here. And you've got layout 1 right there. All right. I'm going to go ahead and just erase this viewport. And then I'm going to right click on my layout and go to my page setup manager. I'll pick modify. And over here, so I'm going to set up different size papers. Now, right now, we're not hooked to any AutoCAD plotter or printer. So I'm going to leave this at none, and you can control your paper size right in here. All right. We're going to be plotting the area, which is layout. And our plot scale is always going to be 1-to-1 when we're working in paper space or layout space. Also going to come up with my plot style table, and I'm going to pick ACAD. Some other instructors might say, hey, use monochrome. Regardless, I like using ACAD. And then I'm going to come over here and edit so that all 255 of my colors are not using the object color, but are using the color black. So I select color 1, I scroll down, I'll go ahead and hit shift on my keyboard, select color 55, select all of them, unless you want to do this 255 times. Under color, I'm going to come back over here, I'm going to say black, and I'm going to turn my dithering off. And I'm going to click save and close, and then I'll click OK. You're going to do that for each layout, all right? And once you actually get that started, then you're going to start actually drawing within here. So I'll show you what that's going to look like.